Hi, Chef Jay here. Today I'm going to make Shio Ramen, easy to make salt-flavored ramen recipe. You will need 2 servings of ramen noodles. For the toppings, 2 eggs, a half corn, a half scallion, 2 tablespoons of menma. For the soup, 1 clove garlic, 1 clove ginger, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 3 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of vegetable bouillon powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. Step 1. We are going to prepare toppings first. Boil eggs and cut them in half. Boil corn and remove the kernels from the cob. Chop scallion into thin slices. Step 2. Mince garlic and ginger for the soup. Step 3. Heat a large pot over medium heat. Add sesame oil to the pot and cook the minced garlic and ginger until you can smell their aromatic flavors. Step 4. Add water, bouillon powder, and salt to the pot and bring the soup to a boil. Step 5. Boil the ramen noodles according to the package instructions and drain. Step 6. Place the drained noodles in the serving bowl and ladle the hot soup over the noodles. Arrange the toppings on top. I hope you will enjoy this simple but tasty Shio Ramen. Thanks for watching and please be sure to like and subscribe.